Our health is the most important thing that we have in this world. Good health leads to a better quality of life. That's why it is important to know exactly what's in our food. Today, more and more food manufacturers are adding controversial ingredients into their products, and it's becoming more difficult for us, the consumers, to identify the quality of foods that we are putting into our bodies. But now, there's an easier way with the FoodFacts.com Health Score. FoodFacts.com's Health Score is the only unbiased nutritional rating system that factors in the quality of the food's ingredients along with the FDA's daily recommended intakes of vitamins and nutrients. Using these methods, we then score the food product on a scale from 0 to 100. A score showing a rating from 0 to 25 will show up as red, letting you know that the product is low in nutritional value and should be avoided. A score showing a rating from 26 to 49 will show up as yellow, letting you know that the product may be something that you want to limit in your diet. A score showing a rating from 50 to 75 will show up as white, letting you know that the product contains a moderate amount of nutritional value. A score showing a rating of 76 to 100 will show up as green, letting you know that the product is high in vitamins, nutrients, and quality of ingredients, and that it is the best thing for you to include in your diet. When using our scale, you'll be able to see which ingredients contained in the product are controversial and should be avoided, along with a description of what those specific ingredients are. In addition to that, you will also be able to clearly see what the product's pros and cons are, along with what allergies are contained in each product with our allergy alerts. By visiting our website, FoodFacts.com, you can find out what's really in your food, free of charge. Our database is updated daily so that we can continue to guide you towards having a better understanding of the ingredients and the nutritional value of what you're eating. Visit our website, FoodFacts.com, and check out our health scores now and get started on your path to a healthier quality of life.